Paul's Fan Company originally started in 1958 with Paul Elswick. When he started in a small machining shop location. The majority of the work that was originally done was centered somewhat into the coal mining industry. We're in the coal industry all across the United States. We're also working on the ventilation in metal, non-metal, which is a lot of our stone mining and stuff that goes on in the Midwest and even close to here, all the underground mining. So when you factor that in and when you look at now our industrial world that we're working in, we have become a large fan manufacturing company. And we're competing now not only here and across the United States, but we're competing in Canada and Mexico. We do things out of the ordinary for our customers. The other fan manufacturers builds one streamlined product. We provide what we call a turnkey fan solution. With our product, we actually go in and build the ductwork to accommodate what the customer needs. Is that when you have an issue or a problem with the fan, when you pick up the phone to call us, we'll answer. We not only provide service through the week, but we provide service all the time for our products that we put out. One of the things that sets us apart is we always have replacement components in stock. If you have a fan component to fail or to have a catastrophic failure, more than likely I've got that on the shelf to replace it. That's what our customers like about us. We're personal, we're experienced, we have the skills, and we also have the tools to do all the work with. And our customers really enjoy that part about working with Paul's Fan Company.